Embrace mindful wellness in nature's lap. A serene wilderness. Your playground for peace. Welcome to Mindful Wellness in Nature's Lap. A journey towards tranquility, rejuvenation, and self-discovery. Imagine this: a morning breeze, rustling leaves, chirping birds. This symphony of nature, playing exclusively for you. Lose yourself, find yourself. Absorb the energy of the wild. Connect with nature, form a bond that heals and invigorates. Reflect by the tranquil streams. Realize your insignificance in the grand scheme of things. Feel lighter, humbler, and more appreciative. Join us today, as we embark on this journey, in search of wellness and mindfulness. A journey you owe to yourself.